In this lesson, we're going to talk about addition facts. So if we have a problem like this that says fill in the missing number, and we have a blank here, plus 2 equals 8. So you might just remember that 6 plus 2 equals 8, but that is an addition fact. We know that 6 plus 2 equals 8. So the missing number we're looking for is 6. But if you don't remember that fact, that's okay. You could just use a number line. And remember that numbers get bigger if you go this way, and numbers get smaller if you go this way. So for us, numbers are going to get bigger because we're adding, right? So what you would have to do here is picture yourself at 2 and then add until you reach the answer, which is 8. So let's picture ourselves at 2 and move along, jumping along until we reach the number that we need. So if we start here and go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we reach 8. So we've jumped 6 times. So now we know that 6 plus 2 equals 8. So there's a couple of ways to do this. You could remember that 6 plus 2 equals 8. You could always remember that as an addition fact. Or you could use the number line, start at 2, picture yourself at 2, and jumping until you reach the number you need, which is 8. And remembering how many times you jumped. Another way to do this, which is an addition fact as well, is you use the numbers that are given in the original question. So you would use 8 and 2. And the addition fact that 8 minus 2 equals 6. And 6 is the missing number. Now to do that, you would picture yourself at 8 and go back until you hit, and go back twice until you hit a number. So you know you have to go back twice because these are the numbers given. If you start at 8 here and go back 1, 2, we end up at 6. So we know this is the number we're looking for. And that's the end of this lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. You could just rewatch the video and take a look at the description. There's other videos in there. There's links to other videos of mine that are similar to this if you need extra help. And thank you so much for listening. And please make sure to like and subscribe.